In the last video, we have already discussed how to read structural drawings of a beam, how to span and how to arrangement of beam, everything. Now, beam is interconnected with the slab because the load from the slab it's transferred to the beam. Now, after placing the beam, we need to understand how to place the slab reinforcement and how to prepare bar bending schedules of the slab. In today's video, I will discuss about the structural drawings of the slab and how to read that one, how to interconnect with the beam and everything. And in the next video, we will discuss how to prepare bar bending schedules of a slab. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the structural drawings of a slab, how to read and how to arrange and how to place the reinforcement and in each and everything. So stay tuned until the end. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get immediate notification. So the same drawing, whatever we discussing in the earlier video, for the beam itself. Now we will discuss the slab arrangement and how to place the reinforcement or how to make the bar bending schedules of the slab reinforcement. Now, the first things what we need to understand the slab and beam arrangement. So it is a typical floor beam, the roof beam and the roof slab. Now, see, first things we need to understand the x-axis and the y-axis, the grid line. Grid is A, B, C, D, and here itself A, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again here it is a 4 dash. That means these grid line we need to first establish at the side so that we can find out the other things and we can place the reinforcement at the side. The grid line, and then what is the beam slab spanning and arrangement. See, here is the column, here is the column, here is the column, here is the column, everything. So this column from this column and how much is the projection. See, here it is a projection 350, then 150. What is 350? 350 is the projection and 150 is the parapet wall. We can find out from the section drawing. We will come it later. First, we need to understand these the structural drawings. So from here itself, we can find out what is the span details and what is the total length of the slab. And here is also from this side. And from the plan itself, we can find out the geometry of the slab, whether it is an oval, whether it is a square, or rectangular, etc. So here is this is the geometry of the slab, and accordingly we need to cut the steel whenever we are placing the steel or we prepare the bar bending schedules of the slab. Now, what other things to check in the slab? What is the MEP cutout or any cutout is there for the electrical conduiting or the HVAC or the plumbing, whatever itself. Luckily here is nothing is there. So, but here we can see there are two numbered high pedestal for 2KL tank. That means here it will be a water tank will become, and here another water tank will become. So this area reinforcement detailing will be the different from the slab. And what will then we'll check. Now come to the slab spanning. Now these beam, whenever we are doing working at the site, first we need to place all this beam and then we need to place the slab reinforcement. And what we need to know that what is the top of the slab or the top of the concrete, from where we will get that one. See, here is a typical section, okay, and from the slab, from the schedule here we can find out. See, there is beam to bottom of top of concrete is 4.8, and the slab thickness is how much? The slab thickness is, here it is also from the section we can find out 4.81. Here is also we can find out 4.81. So beam top or the slab top is the same because there is no inverted beam. That is also we need to check if there is an inverted beam or not. This is all the beam slab top, and the beam top and the slab top is the same. So these are the 4.8 top of the concrete. So we need to fix that also. But whenever we are doing the concreting, we need to fix the bottom of the slab, that bottom of the slab. That means from 4.8, see, top of concrete 4.8 and thickness of the slab 150. If it minus from these, there will be bottom of the slab. Why bottom of the slab is important? Because the bottom we need to fix the plywood for the shuttering or for the formwork. So this bottom of the concrete is also very much important. Now, what is the slab reinforcement? That is 8 or 150 center, top and bottom both ways. So here in this slab, it is showing that all the reinforcement in the top and bottom are 8, and that is 150 center to center both ways. That means it is the doubly reinforcement slab, and luckily we don't have any crank bar, or we don't have the curtailment, anything. So it become easy for us to make the bar bending schedule because it is straight and straight. Now here it is another catch also. Here also see spanning is 5 6, and roughly it become more than 5 5 11 11 6 7 18 meter. Now we are not getting 18 meter steel bar. We need to place or splice the bar because we have the standard length of 12 meter. To accommodate this 18 meter or 17 meter, we need to splice. Where will be the splicing zone? That is very much important. Where will be the splicing zone in the slab? That because in the non-spliced zone we cannot provide the splice, then it will be a harmful for the structural integrity. So whenever we are preparing bar bending schedule, we need to understand what is the splice zone and what is the non-splice zone. In the last video also I discussed that where we can make splices of the reinforcement, that is a splices zone, and where we cannot make the splices, that is a non-splices zone. So whenever we are making or preparing bar bending schedule, first we need to understand what is splicing zone and a non-splicing zone. So there is also we need to find out where we can splice the bar. Now, what is the clear cover? That is also we need to understand, because if there is clear cover, then we only understand what will be the L of the bar. That is 25, 25, 25 of the roof slabs, which means if it is 150, that means from the top and from the bottom, we need to minus 25 and 25. So the effective depth cover will be that 150. So whenever we are making L portion, state portion will be 18 meter. And what will be the state portion from the bottom one? It will be 100. So the clear cover is very much important. That also we need to check here. Now, we have already seen there is a extra bar is will be there. How? The section 4. Now we want to go for the section 4. Here is the section 4, because see, here is the top reinforcement and the bottom reinforcement of the slab, and then again there is an extra reinforcement for the area where the water tank will be placed. What is the reinforcement? That is 12 or 250 center to center, which means we need to elevate that area. We need to make the pedestal, which is another 150 thick. That means 150 plus 150, that is 300 will be total depth in this area. And what will be the reinforcement? That is 12 or 250 center to center, and one number 12 bar in the as a skin reinforcement. Okay, here throughout the 12 reinforcement. Okay, so what will be the extra reinforcement here? There's also mentioned. Now, is there anything cut out, anything MEP cut out? No, but if there is an MEP cut out, then the cutout or reinforcement will be also there, because the extra reinforcement we need to provide around the cutout so that the cutout will not fall down. And again, here is a stair. So these stair reinforcement also will come here, and this stair reinforcement will be come into the itself in the slab, and the slab reinforcement also will come. That interconnection also we need to understand whenever we are preparing the bar bending schedule. In the next video, I will make it in detail. Now, another things is there, we have already checked. The 350 is the projection from center line of the column, and then 150 is the parapet thickness. But here you can see the parapet is not in the straight one, it is the curved one. And what will be the parapet details? That will be in the section A, and this is the section A. See, this total height is the 700. That means from the top of the concrete or top of the slab, it will be the 700, and is the curvature. And what will be the reinforcement for this parapet area is 8 or 200 center, and 8 or 150 centers. So the main will be 150 and the distribution will be 200. That also we need to check. So whenever we are dealing with the slab reinforcement or then preparing bar bending schedule, we need to check beam slab arrangement, then slab spanning, then slab geometry, slab cover, slab reinforcement, and is there any MEP cutout, is there any special reinforcement, is there any pedestal or there, and then the clear cover, and then the parapet we need to check, and accordingly we need to prepare the bar bending schedules of the slab. So these are all the structural drawing reading of the slab. And if you have any queries, please let me know so that I can answer or I can make a new video for this. And if you want to know anything about quality control on the construction or anything about the construction material, please let me know. I will come out with the more content and like this. And the next video, I will discuss about how to prepare bar bending schedule and hand-on experience, and I will make every details. So don't forget to watch the next video also. And thank you once again for watching me. And if you're new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And thanks for watching me.